The scarlet-backed flowerpecker, Dicaeumcruentatum, is a species of passerine bird in the flowerpecker family Dicaeidae. The scarlet-backed flowerpecker is a small bird with a short tail. Sexually dimorphic, the male has navy blue upperparts, with a bright red streak down its back from its crown to its tail coverts, while the female and juvenile are predominantly olive green. It is found in subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests and occasionally gardens in India and a number of countries throughout South and East Asia. It has been observed feeding on the figs. The scarlet-backed flowerpecker weaves its pouch-shaped nest hanging from a branch high up in a tree. The nest has a side entrance, typical for those of the flowerpecker family.